SOFTGEL 320 and 336 machines with 2 cylinders for 2 flavors and 1 mixed flavor of soft ice creams or frozen yogurts. Basic, gravity-fed machines, easy to use, their daily maintenance requires very little time. They keep the mix at 4 Celsius. Mix and freeze, incorporating air into the product, transforming it into ice cream or gelato. Store a quantity of ready ice creams in the cylinders. Instantly dispense the product when necessary. Counter models 320 and floor model 336 are available.